Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best shopping carts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone who frequently shops at grocery stores, farmers markets, or even for moving items around the house or office, offering a convenient and ergonomic way to transport your goods without the strain of carrying heavy bags, making your shopping trip significantly more manageable and less physically demanding. Number 5. Amazon EGIFT Card. Give the gift of choice with an Amazon EGIFT card. It's the perfect present for any occasion, offering endless possibilities. Forget about expiration dates and hidden charges. This gift card is designed to be simple and convenient for you and the recipient. Choose from a wide variety of designs and denominations to perfectly match your gift-giving needs. There's something for everyone. It can be redeemed towards millions of items store-wide on Amazon.com and certain affiliated websites. The possibilities are truly endless. Need it now? It's available for immediate delivery via email. You can even schedule it to arrive up to a year in advance. Please note that these gift cards are for purchases on Amazon.com and related sites. For international purchases, please visit the respective country's Amazon site. What we like. This is a digital gift card that never expires and has no fees. It's perfect for last-minute gifts or when you want to give the flexibility of choice. If you're looking for a convenient and flexible gifting option, this is the one to consider. What people say. It's so quick and so easy. Just need an email address to the person to send it to. So versatile to use on everything from food to movies to clothes to tools to electronics and household plus beauty products. The digital delivery is incredibly fast, usually arriving within minutes, making it perfect for last-minute gifts or special occasions I almost forgot about. The recipient can choose exactly what they want, whether it's something practical or a treat for themselves. The Amazon EGIFT card is a simple, convenient, and 5-star gifting option that works for almost any occasion. It's incredibly easy to use, allowing the recipient to choose exactly what they want from a massive selection of products. The digital delivery is fast and hassle-free, making it perfect for last-minute gifts. Number 4. DMI Utility Cart with Wheels. Introducing the DMI Utility Cart, designed to make your life easier. This versatile cart is perfect for shopping, groceries, laundry, and even tackling stairs. Despite weighing only 7.5 pounds, it can impressively hold up to 90 pounds. Its durable construction ensures it can handle all your carrying needs. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage. It's compact enough to fit in your car or on public transport. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to its smooth rolling wheels and an extra-tight grip handle. It effortlessly goes up steps and over curbs. The textured hand grip provides a non-slip surface, making it comfortable and easy to carry. It's designed for ergonomic use, even when climbing stairs. This cart is perfect for groceries, laundry, art supplies, or cleaning essentials. It's a functional and efficient solution for various organizing tasks. What we like. This cart is incredibly lightweight but can hold a substantial amount, making it ideal for everyday errands. Its stair-climbing feature is a game-changer for those with apartments or who frequent places with many steps. If you need a versatile cart that can handle stairs with ease, this is your best bet. What people say. This shopping cart is very sturdy and can hold a lot of groceries. The wheels on this cart are smooth and easy to maneuver, even on rough surfaces. It folds up compactly for easy storage when not in use. Number 3. ROSONG Collapsible Wagon Cart, Black, 120L. Introducing the ROSONG Collapsible Wagon Cart. Its innovative design folds down to a compact size, making it perfect for any car and maximizing your space. Navigate with ease thanks to its 360 degrees rotating front wheels and extendable handle. It offers smooth control, even when fully loaded. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this cart is built to withstand significant weight and all-weather conditions. The wear-resistant PU wheels are designed to conquer all kinds of terrain, ensuring reliable performance wherever you take it. Keep your storage clean with detachable wheels. This feature allows for hassle-free cleaning, preventing dirt transfer from outdoor use. This versatile wagon is perfect for all your adventures, from camping and gardening to grocery shopping and sporting events. It's an indispensable companion for a wide array of scenarios. What we like. With its generous 120L capacity, this wagon is built for bigger hauls, whether it's for camping, gardening, or a large grocery run. The 360-degree wheels ensure smooth navigation through crowded spaces. If you're looking for a spacious and highly maneuverable cart for outdoor adventures or substantial shopping trips, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This shopping cart is sturdy and well-made, perfect for carrying groceries or other heavy items. The wheels on this cart roll smoothly, making it easy to maneuver through crowded aisles. It folds up compactly for easy storage when not in use. Number 2. Amazon Basics Foldable Shopping Cart. Introducing a versatile cart designed to make your errands a breeze. Its large capacity and smooth rolling wheels handle everything from groceries to sports gear with ease. Crafted from sturdy metal with a sleek black finish, this cart boasts an impressive load capacity. It features 2 large baskets and an additional smaller one, perfect for all your essentials. Experience unparalleled maneuverability thanks to its heavy-duty wheels, including 360-degree swivel front wheels. Effortlessly glide in any direction, making tight spaces no challenge. The foam-covered handle provides a soft and secure grip, ensuring comfort during every use. Transporting your items has never felt better. When not in use, this cart conveniently collapses for easy carrying and compact storage. Assembly is quick and simple, so you can start using it right away. From grocery shopping and laundry to hauling sports equipment or garden supplies, this cart is your perfect companion for various tasks. What we like. This cart offers an X-large capacity with the added benefit of multiple baskets, perfect for organizing different types of items. The 360-degree swivel wheels provide exceptional maneuverability in tight spots. If you need a robust cart with ample organized storage for various needs like sports equipment or extensive shopping, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly over various surfaces, including carpet and uneven pavement. The basket is surprisingly spacious, easily accommodating groceries for a week. It folds up compactly for storage and is lightweight enough to carry upstairs. Number 1. VEVOR Folding Shopping Cart with Dual Basket. This cart boasts an upgraded, reinforced mesh base capable of holding up to 330 pounds without bending. It also features a durable, waterproof liner to protect your items and privacy. With both a large front basket and an extra back basket, you'll have plenty of room for all your shopping needs. Keep your wallet and personal items secure in the back basket. Navigate effortlessly with 4 industrial PP swivel wheels. The 360 degrees rotating front wheel allows for easy direction changes, while the large rear wheels ensure a smooth glide. Its portable design allows it to fold up in seconds for easy storage. Tuck it away in your trunk, garage, or closet without taking up much space. This cart is perfect for groceries, laundry, camping gear, and more. Assembly is simple, requiring just the attachment of the wheels to the pre-assembled body. What we like. This jumbo cart boasts an impressive 330 pounds capacity and comes with a waterproof liner, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks like large grocery hauls or transporting bulky items. The dual basket system adds convenience for separating items. If you require a cart with maximum load capacity and added protection for your items, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Rolls smooth, holds 6 bags including canned goods, gallon of milk, heavy products. Easy to use and sturdy. Can push up hills and go over bumps smooth. It has a mesh bottom so the broom handle didn't slip through an open weave bottom. The rotating front wheels made it glide easily across different surfaces. This cart held the weight and pushed easily. Very easy to guide and love that the wheels spin around. Not too large but holds several bags of groceries. Also, really easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.